The timber floor in this listed building had clearly lived a long, hard working life. The original timber boards are still in place, but years of foot traffic, furniture movements, and previous decorating has definitely taken its toll. The surface is heavily worn and uneven in colour, and there are clear signs of historic staining and patchy repairs. The old finish is broken down, leaving the wood exposed and vulnerable. Despite all this, the floor still structurally is sound and it's got plenty of life in it. So we took the approach to restore the floor for the customer, and we couldn't wait to get started. As you can see, we took a belt sander to this area, and that's all that it touched because of the bowing and the cupping in the floor. So here we go in the kitchen. We're taking the original coating off. Eventually, this was no easy task, but eventually it did come off with plenty of sanding belts. Once it was back to its original pine and all flattened and even, we stained it using a Jacobean stain, which the customer had carefully selected. This is it, just roughly stained before I started to prime it using a water-based lacquer. So the whole of the property was obviously lacquered up, and there was additional rooms added to the job. It was originally supposed to be the kitchen and the drawing room, but it ended up being the kitchen, the drawing room, plus a hallway, large hallway, and a really cute WC just around the corner from where this video is being taken now. So this is me just putting the final coat on, which we added a 2-pack. So this is now got a built-in hardener, so it's a 1K finish, and this will give it a lot of longevity and protection from all of those high footfall areas, such as the hallway and the lounge and the kitchen actually. So everywhere is going to be high footfall, and that's why we recommended this finish. So here we go. You can see there's a nice sheen to the floor. This has now been fully protected with 3 coats, obviously including the 1K lacquer. And yeah, the colour's gorgeous, the grain's coming through, and the lounge and the colour makes it feel very, very warm and cosy. So I bet the customer can't wait to get the furniture back into this room and start living in it. Loads of features, probably the most features I've seen in a period property, and that was partly the enjoyment in this job, you know, seeing all of the little scratches, the little balls that where the steps were. Yeah, fantastic job, thoroughly enjoyed it, and the customer was over the moon.